In exercise 2, we're going to do the same exercise, but we're going to add a jump before the tunnel. This will give the dogs a little bit more speed and momentum heading towards that tunnel and just build it into some sequencing. So here we're going to do some acceleration and throw the toy out in front. Hopefully your throw will be a little bit better than mine. Here I'm doing a lead out decel. We can see she really turns tight out of that tunnel. That's what we're looking for. And here is a run into that decel position. So you can see that even though my movement was towards the tunnel, even though I'm running this way, I'm going to throw on the brakes early enough that she's still going to come out of that tunnel nice and tight. And that's what we're looking for. So here on exercise 2, you can mix up doing some acceleration, some lead out deceleration, and some in movement deceleration.